It doesn't make sense. You're transitioning.
We don't understand we are transgender, but
Yeah,
we are
cutie, he's
what?
still on TikTok live.
We
Yes,
are what?
but it's not, do you not add?
We are trans woman, but we are man. Man,
They're
and
the
No, that,
only
everybody
that
real
doesn't
man
make
here.
sense. That doesn't make sense.
why don't mean it make sense? Then if it don't make no sense, then
The rest
why
of them
them
the
the one they
tights
don't
are right,
want
like
be as a man
cute
to
one.
take
That
out the
don't make
pussy? Why they don't
brother.
want
This
the
doesn't make
pussy?
sense.
You say you can't take any girl, man,
I
Gerald.
am a
This doesn't make
transgender. I don't know why
sense.
I'm vexed.
It makes sense. I don't understand. If you don't make sense of that, clearly means you just don't understand the part one. It's not your people. So just X the fucking life.
Can't brother.
But those that know
Oh,
that
goody, because the people them plan TikTok.
Over TikTok.
explain nothing. If you know, you know. If you don't,
We
you
never
don't.
know this to blood clots to them
Yeah,
a
but
lady.
with a
Okay,
media
sorry, they're
conversation.
ladies. Ladies over here, address them as lady. Trans
That's what
woman
I'm
is
saying.
lady.
If you're
No, we are lady. It makes sense. We're a lady. Sorry.
It don't
Address
make
you as a
sense.
woman.
They're the only woman over
Okay?
here, so.
No, Alayatel, we are ladies. Sorry, we are ladies.
I
Address it
get
as ladies.
okay, I get it.
Don't say that we're a man. We're
I
ladies.
get it. That
He's a
biological.
man.
I
One
get it. I
simple
get what
question.
Destiny's trying to say.
Him
At the
asked
end of
one,
the day, I understand what she's trying to say.
one simple
But
question.
if you're a
Emil, a
trans
minute ago,
female,
he asked one simple question and nobody never want to answer, including you. Are you a man or you a woman? He said, "We's a man." Are you the pan?
cutie,
You
you're not.
didn't want to answer.
Cutie, do you understand what I'm trying to say though?
Listen, I hear what you're saying because it says transgender whatever in the bio, but he's saying he's a man. Real life, you is a man.
No. Please listen to me for
No.
1 minute. Listen, if you are a trans female, you're taking hormones, etc., you're transitioning into a woman. Why would you want to be referred to as a man if you're trying to identify as a female? Does that make sense?
Listen.
So then you must be a
Let's
drag
say
queen.
the whole away is
No.
man.
It means
That's
a
what
real
I
life
said.
man.
All
You
of
must be
us
a cross
is man.
dresser.
It's not like I'm saying that we want nobody for car we say we are man, but the whole away is man, and everybody know
So,
that we are
Emil,
man.
I ask you something.
And it's not the
If you
first
meet
time
a
doing
man,
that. So don't
if you meet
nobody
a
act
man,
like that.
hold on a minute, Destiny. Because you're taking all these hormone pills or all of these stuff and trying to be a female. If you meet a man, a real man, which is a straight man, and you confront the man and tell the man what you are you not going to tell the man that you are a real man, but you are what?
If you meet someone, whatever, not, you're supposed to tell the person that you're a trans female. Simple as that.
Well, the man admits him is a real life man.
What if you tell a man says that? What if you tell a man is a woman, and in fact you're a man?
But did I say I'm not talking about that? I'm saying because
it's just like what I said. Enough a car, we not say we a man.
The miracle said that you can never be a
understand.
female.
We have two breasts.
You're
we have
born
a
a man
dick.
that can never
We have two
change.
breasts, you know, and we have a dick.
yes, if you're born. I get
it's not
what
like say
you're born a man. You're born a man. I get what you're trying to say.
It's not like say we are transsexual. Transsexual is the one who have the vagina. You can say yes, they're a woman. And they were transsexual. Yes, because they have the vagina. But darling dear, you have the dick. And you're a woman. I never say a woman with a dick. It's just the truth.
I get what you're trying to say.
And don't think that it's the first time doing this. I did this
I
always talk about this.
All I'm saying is the people with sense understand what I'm trying to say, because this don't make sense.
Paola, are you a man or a woman?
I'm a man. I'm very much a man.
Right there.
And that means say I'm one doesn't mean that you're have a different. Let my mouth here. Let my mouth. We never know. See, people are afraid that. Like I don't know, because right now you got to turn back. We have to take off the breast away blood clot, but we have to take hormone and turn back, man. We have to stop. I just said
I forgot to take off the breast off of your chest.
Yes, what happened to my friend?
I get what Destiny is trying to say.
She did her breast on her body and everything, and her pussy.
Whether you're trans,
and now she have to turn back, man, and she can't turn back, man.
I get what you're trying to say. Whether you're trans or not, you're born a man. I completely understand what you're trying to say. But where I'm confused with you is that, from as far as I know, you said you was a trans female.
In any way to offend anyone.
As far as I know, you said you was a trans female.
Stuff in the comments, so that's why I say, well, we are man.
But I'm saying,
if you never say anything to offend nobody.
I'm saying if you identify as a trans woman, because that's how you present yourself to me. That's what I know about you. How are you now saying that you're now a man? That's what I'm saying.
So as I said again, I was not saying anything to offend her. She was saying things in the comment, and I said that all of we are man.
But do you understand how what
you get what I'm saying?
But Destiny, listen to what I'm trying to say. Do you understand how what you said can incite transphobia? You know that, right?
I know my business. What am I going to do? What you say a while ago?
Okay, well, I can't bother.
What did you say a while ago?
Clearly,
All in the blood clot LGBT people always say them a man. Oh,
it's all right because clearly, you know what?
it's weird to
I
see
give up
trans. I see
because
a lot of trans women fuck
I
men.
know I have sense.
And women, they're what?
I know I have sense. So boy, that's all I know.
No, sir. I saw one girl will live over there come tell me say no like
A
when me say them a man.
trans.
Nobody can stop me from talking to my mouth.
Yeah, I get it as well. A lot of people say I get what she's trying to say. I get it from both sides, but it's like it doesn't make sense.
And that me I say, I want if trans people say it, so me don't know what is the big deal.
I get what you're trying to say, but Destiny, I wouldn't call you a man because you presented yourself to me. From how I know you, you're a trans female, so I would call you female. I wouldn't say, oh, that's a man, Destiny. I wouldn't say that about you because you presented yourself to me as a trans female.
You're a man,
say
right?
That. You know why I'm gonna say you can't say that. You know why I'm gonna say you can't say that, Emil?
Okay.
Because in the gay community also, you have man where receive and him give. So what are they?
Listen,
they're not calling themselves a female and they're not calling themselves a man as well.
Now got understand me because teeth and tongue will meet. That's what I should
have meet. Yes, Emil.
I'm done. It doesn't make sense. I even explain nothing
so when
to
them
you
talk
guys.
For themselves, 1 minute them a man and
it don't
them
make
a
sense.
woman.
It doesn't make sense.
Or if you be woman and they not have no vagina.
It doesn't make any sense.
No, but that me asking because them give and them receive. So what them want call them?
But you have a lot of trans man who are fucking man and fucking woman in bed.
It don't make no sense, but
even the trans woman them you see out the door, them look girly out the door in a bed, them look a man them. And it's true, it's not lie. And Jamaica me come from. Nobody can tell me nothing.
It does.
No, sir. This is too much.
Me not run from my agenda. Me not afraid of my agenda. Me not run from it.
Oh, so are you trans? Are you okay? So Destiny, are you a trans woman or you're a man?
Me are two of them. Is a man in me.
Okay, I can't bother this.
You know what that mean? I'm a patty and a cocoa bread.
Okay, babe.
So the patty is the man and the cocoa bread is the woman.
This
so
is fuckery.
The cocoa bread cover the patty.
This is fuckery. This is fuckery.
That's not fuckery. It's just the truth.
Okay, babe.
Can trans women have kids?
But in your bio, I didn't see you put patty and cocoa bread. I saw you put trans.
I put
woman.
anything I want to put.
I
put anything I want to put. That's my bio. I put what I want to put. As I said, me not say anything to offend nobody or anybody where panel live we are transgender. All me say is she says something. I'm gonna say the whole we are man. That's what I said. I never said anything to offend anyone on the live.
But you do you know what?
Can I ask you something, please?
Teeth and tongue will meet.
Are you a trans woman or are you a man?
Are you asking me that?
Yes.
What do you think I am?
You are a man.
Okay.
So that is why you should have a problem what I said. Baby boy, that's what I'm telling you.
The thing is, it's not that I have a problem with what you're saying. In fact, you know, it's that what you're saying does not make sense to me, which is why I'm going to
you can't have pitney, of course that make you a woman because you can't give life.
You can't have pitney, my love. You have a woman.
You can't bring life. T, what kind of question that you ask? You can't have pitney, T. Look past shit, no.
What I'm going to say to you, if I don't agree with something doesn't make sense to me, I'm going to question it. It's not me having a problem. I'm going to question it because to me it doesn't make sense, and to a lot of people in the comment section, it doesn't make sense either.
I like to tell all of the people in the comment, most of them wrong.
Most of them woman.
Not
okay,
then.
Okay,
hon, that is fine.
But as me say again, I never said anything to offend anyone. She said something, and I said everyone is well away a man. I never said anything bad. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
But
maybe you think that I said something bad.
Rhea does not identify as a man in any way, shape, and form.
But she have a dick.
How you know that?
Okay.
Have you seen her hood?
Even if she have a pussy, my love, she a transsexual. She cannot breed. Can a transsexual breed?
Anyway, she have a dick for two because I see the naked picture.
Yeah. This
yeah, boy, you're
sending at the group chat.
This is too much.
You hear about area?
This is too much. This is too much.
You know, say you want,
All
of
right.
course you want to cuss me for your friend. Why you stay so?
Cause Destiny,
I'm not
if I
saying
were
it's
to,
a
if I
friend
were
from
to
long time,
cuss
but
you,
you must not be on no one side. Like you should just be, you know, be neutral. To be honest. No lie, no shades. To be honest, be neutral.
Yeah,
It
that's my
never
thing.
forgot
People
so
shouldn't
far
take up
over
other
there.
people's
Let's keep
argument.
it real, Amir. It never forgot so far.
Yes.
Even if him never want Destiny say I to him, like me said to Destiny, you're too enough. You shouldn't say hello.
Which is
And
right.
even if him never want
But
Destiny to say I to him,
listen up,
him could have
cutie.
him could have just said Destiny. But don't want to talk to you because of the whole situation. We have my mother argument done. If something just per long and one person keep on attack, like yeah, bring down Destiny. Come on, wanna expect Destiny for do? He might go defend himself.
this chai, I
Emil come
can't.
out to the comment section, but literally.
Yeah,
This
it's not
shit
good to
is
pick up other
mad.
people's
You know the
arguments, you
honest
know.
thing is, you
Cutie,
see if them,
make a say literally if me want to say literally, cause
you
that's
see if
my
like
view.
you see if
Don't
you
mind
talk.
you.
No, listen up.
Don't mind you and Tina in the comment section. Cause Tig one like my woman now.
Cutie, stop it.
You don't think me not even call out him name, but just give him the first letter name T.
Okay, you know what?
No, we never you see like how
Yeah,
good it
yeah,
talk,
coming
I say you should
out it.
attack. You turn me down and make the guy over there rub me out. So you expect me to go get upset and cuss. Come on now, good God Almighty.
I'm not. You know, up to now I have a
I
big
don't know.
beauty with
Yes,
everything.
me don't know you, me love. Me don't know you, me love. Me don't want you to tell me say you don't know me, me love. And you know she long time. Sometimes the people me know long time fuck you up in a life. It's true. Sometimes the people who you
Well,
know long time
Ray not do
fuck
me
you
nothing. So
up in life.
until she do me something, then you can say that.
No,
But Ray
I'm
not do
telling
me
you, say
nothing.
sometimes the people you know long time fuck you up. There's a
That's
lot of
true.
people that
That's
I
true,
know
and
on the internet and they're very
with you
good.
because I agree. I've been through that. But at the end of the
Thank you,
day,
Mikey.
Ray not do me nothing. So boy,
You want to know what it is?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
one
if
thing
you're
that
gonna
I've
tell me to
learned,
done and don't tell her to done, that's unfair.
one
And it's
thing that I've
true.
learned on this internet, yeah, it's not good to pick up other people's arguments. It's best to, just
what the
stay
fuck
on the
you doing, yeah?
sidelines and
Are
mind
you
your
mad at what
business.
for Emil?
Are you dashing word for me, hon? Are you talking about me?
Huh?
The
Are you
woman I
talking about?
talk to.
Are you talking about me?
Me?
Are you talking about me?
Me?
Yeah, I'm asking you a question. Yes or no?
As in, like, am I talking about
Yeah,
you?
Are you referring to me? Because I'm right here. You can talk to me.
Oh, no,
I'm
babe,
right
but if
here.
the shoe fits, but I'm not referring to you.
Bitch, where the fuck y'all do ya?
Listen,
Bitch, where the fuck y'all
Emil.
do? You don't know
Emil?
nobody. You don't know nobody.
Emil?
Yes, where the fuck y'all do ya?
Emil,
I
Emil,
lie.
Bitch, where the
She
don't
fuck y'all
lying.
do
ramp with
ya?
me,
Because you're
Emil,
blood
because
clot.
now you're
So
getting me
if you're
charged
talking
up.
to
Emil,
fucking me, you can
Emil,
talk to me.
Emil,
So
don't
what's
ramp
up?
with me, because I didn't call up your name. If
What?
the shoe fits, wear
Are
it.
you,